like your dog. I don't like dogs at all. Big dogs, little dogs, away at all.
Good job.
Then want that sick. Then we give it to me. If I throw the stick, will go away.
Good job.
There, now go away with your stick.
Yes. Excellent.
What do you want now? If I floating scan will go away, then jump on me, dog. I don't like that.
Excellent. Well done.
Go away, you old dog. Go home now that you have a home. Well, that is too bad.
Yes.
But you cannot come home with me. I don't wag your tail at me. Then they dogs.
Yes. You are great.
You are not bad for a dog, but I don't like dogs. You say that again, roll over again, dog. Say that is not bad.
Yes.
Can you shake hands? This how to shake hands. I don't to lick my hands. Stop that. You old dog.
Yes.
If I play with you, will you go away? Alright, let's run the dog.
Yes.
Can you run as fast as you can? You can run fast. Oh, alright.
Excellent. Good job.
That was run a dog. We can play again, but I have to go home now. Now you cannot home. Go away now. Now, dog.
Yes.
Don't you go away? You like me, don't you? You old dog. Well, I like you too. Oh, I like give up.
Yes.
Come on home, dog. Come on, let's run.
Yes. Good job, Lily. You did great.
Let me go.
Yes.